Greetings and welcome to our today's lesson. I'm your trainer Joseph Kalunda from Kalda-Tech Systems. Today we are going to learn about how to install a WordPress plugin. Step number 1, go to your WordPress dashboard. Once on your dashboard, scroll down and go to plugins. When you over the plugins, you can see the list down there: installed plugins, add new plugin, file, enter. For installed plugins, those are the plugins that you have already installed. Add new is where you are going to add a new plugin. File editor, it where you can change the code of your plugins. For today we're learning on how to install a new plugin. So we go to add new, as you can see, a number of plugins have displayed here. So if your plugin has not been displayed, you can search. If you know the plugin that you want to install, you can search from the search box. For example, let's say you want a plugin to keep a backup for your website. You can search backup. When you search, you can see it's loading. It's taking some time. A number of backup plugins will be installed, will be displayed there. So it's upon you to choose the plugin that you'd like to install. For example, for today, let us install a backup WordPress plugin. So for us to install this plugin, we just click on install now. Our plugin is installing. Boom, it's installed now. So the next step is just to activate the plugin. Our plugin is activating. It's taking some time. Yeah, it is been activated. So once it has been activated, the next step is to go to the plugin and do the setup. That's how to install a new plugin. Thank you very much for watching. I've been your trainer Joseph Kalunda. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel before you leave. That is Kalda-Tech Systems. You can check for more tutorials on our website. That is www.kaldatechsystems.com. Thank you.